Hiya, Rachel.
Hello, Simon. You don't look very well. Are you okay?
No, I feel terrible.
Oh dear, what's wrong?
I've got a terrible stomachache.
Well, maybe you shouldn't go to work today.
I know, but Emily and I have got an important meeting this morning. It's with some people from Morris Computers.
Well, why don't you call them and cancel it?
Yes, maybe you're right. We can have the meeting next week instead.
Good. And then go home.
Okay, that's a good idea.
And maybe you should go to the doctor.
Yes, perhaps.
Okay. Bye, Simon. I hope you get better soon.
Bye, Rachel. Thanks a lot. Hello, is that Chris Morris? Look, I'm sorry, but we can't have our meeting today. I'm not very well. Yes, next Tuesday morning's fine with me too.
Hi, Tim.
Hi, Emily. Are you all right?
No, I don't feel very well.
Oh dear, what's the matter?
I've got a headache and a sore throat.
Why don't you go home?
I can't. I've got a meeting this morning. It's really important.
Who's you meeting with?
Simon and some people from Morris Computers.
Well, Simon called about 10 minutes ago and left a message. He's ill and he's not coming in today.
Oh, no.
And the meeting with Morris Computers is next Tuesday morning now.
Oh, so there isn't a meeting today? That's great. So I can go home?
Yes. Take the day off. You should be in bed. And don't come to work tomorrow.
OK. Thanks a lot.
No problem. Get well soon.
Thanks, Tim. Bye.